Now I'll start with exercise 7.3. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are. So the area of the triangle states that the formula will be y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So half into x1 is 2, y2 y3, 0 minus minus 4 plus minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 plus 2 3 minus 0. So that gives us 0 plus 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 plus 3 7, so plus 7, and 3 2 is 6. So 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, so that is 10.5 square units. Second, half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Just write these coordinates in a cyclic order. Minus 5, so minus 5 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2 plus 3, 2 minus minus 1 plus 5 minus 1 minus minus 5. So 7 into 5 is 35, 3 3s are 9, 4 into 5 is 20. 44, 64, that is 32 square units. Second question, in each kind find k if the points are collinear. If the points are collinear, that means area of triangle ABC will be 0. So just substitute the values 1 minus k plus 5, k minus minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. So 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10, 3 3s are 9 is equals to 0. That means that he will go there, so it will become 0. So minus 7k plus 5k is minus 2k. 17 minus 9 is plus 8 is equals to 0. So 2k becomes 8 and k is equals to 4. Here also half 8 minus 4 minus minus 5 plus k minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 1 minus minus 4 is equals to 0. So this becomes minus 4 plus 5 is 1, 1 into 8 minus 6k plus 10 is equals to 0. So 6k is equals to 18, k is equals to 3. Third question, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. See, the triangle is given A, B and C, 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. We have to find the area of the triangle which is formed by joining the midpoints, that is PQR. So the coordinates of the point P by the section formula will be 0 plus 2 upon 2 minus 1 plus 1 upon 2, because it is the midpoint, so this plus 1 upon 2, so 1, 0. Coordinates of the point Q, 0 plus 0 upon 2 minus 1 plus 3 upon 2, 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, 0, 1. And coordinates of R will be 2 plus 0 upon 2, 1 plus 3 upon 2, which is equals to 1, 2. We have to find the area of this triangle and the area of this triangle and find the ratio. So area of triangle PQR will be half 1, 1 minus 2 plus 0, 2 minus 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1. That becomes minus 1 plus 0 minus 1, which is minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1 square units. Area cannot be negative, therefore it is 1 square units. Now find area of triangle ABC. Half 0, 1 minus 3 plus 2, 3 minus minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 minus 1. That gives us, this is 0, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 to the 8, which is 4 square units. So the ratio is 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4. Fourth question, find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are. So the quadrilateral is given minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 3 comma minus 5, 3 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 3. Join these vertices. So area of triangle ABC is half minus 4 minus 5 minus 2 plus minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 minus 5. So this gives us minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3 plus 12. This becomes 0 and this becomes 3 3s are 9. So 21 upon 2, that is 10.5 square units. Now find area of triangle ADC. Half minus 4 minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 3 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 minus 2. 5 into 4 is 20, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 3 is 50 and this becomes 0. So 35 upon 2, which is 17.5 square units. Therefore total area is equals to 28 square units. Adding these two, so it will become 28 square units. Now median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. So we have studied last year that median divides a triangle in two parts of equal area. 4 comma minus 6, 3 comma minus 2 and 5 comma 2. We have to find the area of these two triangles. In order to find the area of these triangles, we have to find the coordinate D. This is equals to this. So by section formula, coordinates of D will be 3 plus 5 upon 2 minus 2 plus 2 upon 2, which is equals to 8 upon 2 is 4, 4 comma 0. So the area of triangle ABD will be equals to half 4 minus 2 minus 0 plus 3 0 minus 6 plus 4 minus 6 minus 2. So half into 4 2s are 8, 6 3s are 18 minus 4 minus 16. So 2 6, which is 3 square units. Now find area of triangle ADC. So half 4 0 minus 2 plus 4 2 minus 6 plus 5 minus 6 minus 0. So which is equals to half 4 2s are 8, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 4s are 32 and minus 30. So 2 minus 8 is minus 6, which is minus 6 upon 2 is minus 3. Since area cannot be negative, so it will be 3 square units. Yes, the area of both the triangles is same. Thank you.